How to send cryptocurrency from your wallet. To send funds from your wallet, you'll need a wallet address, or the recipient's public key. These addresses are either 1. A long alphanumeric string of numbers and letters. 2. A QR code for smartphone wallets. Or 3. URL-like web link that's clickable and opens your wallet automatically. Once you have this address, you will need to log into your wallet. Click Send. Enter the recipient's wallet address. You can generally only send and receive Litecoins, for example, Bitcoin to Bitcoin or Ethereum to Ethereum. You can't send Bitcoin to an Ethereum wallet address. Specify the amount, and possibly the currency, you want to transfer. Check any transaction fees that apply, and make sure you have enough coins in your wallet to pay the fees. Review the details of the transaction to make sure you've correctly entered all the information. Click Send. Note that the exact process varies depending on the brand of wallet you choose. For example, hardware wallet users typically need to connect their wallet device, enter a PIN or password and manually verify the transaction on the device. How to keep your wallet safe. Wallet security is crucial for any crypto owner, so keep these tips in mind to keep your funds as safe as possible. Research before you choose. Don't just choose the first Bitcoin wallet you come across. Thoroughly research the security features and development team behind a range of wallets before making your final decision. Enable two-factor authentication. This simple security feature is available on an increasing number of wallets. It's simple to use and provides an extra layer of protection for your wallet. Pick your password carefully. Make sure all usernames, PINs and passwords related to your crypto wallet strong. Consider a multi-signature wallet. Multi-sig wallets require more than one private key to authorize a transaction, which means another user or users will need to sign each transaction before it can be sent. It can take longer to send funds, but you may find that extra peace of mind is worth the minor hassle. Update your antivirus protection. Your PC, laptop, smartphone or tablet should have the latest antivirus and anti-malware software installed. Set up a secure firewall on your computer, and never install software from companies you don't know. Update your wallet software. Regularly update your wallet software to the latest security upgrades and protections. Make a backup. Ensure you have a wallet backup stored in a safe place so that you can recover your crypto funds if something goes wrong, like if you lose your smartphone. Check the address. When sending or receiving funds, use the correct wallet address. Similarly, if using an online wallet, make sure it's secure by checking that the URL starts with HTTPS. Don't use public Wi-Fi. Never access your wallet over a public Wi-Fi network. Split your holdings. Consider splitting up your crypto coins between online and offline storage. For example, keep a small portion of your funds in online storage for quick and convenient access, and store the bulk of your holdings offline for extra security. Private key protection. Never share your private key with anyone. Check whether the wallet you choose allows you to keep full control of your private keys, or if you have to surrender ownership to a third party, such as an exchange. Bottom line. There's no one-size-fits-all cryptocurrency wallet. The right wallet for you is the one that matches your needs. If security is your one concern, you'll likely choose a different wallet than someone who wants fast and easy access to their coins. Do your research and compare wallets. Start with our crypto wallet reviews to get an idea of what's available and key features to consider. We hope this has helped you with a better explanation of how to send and receive cryptocurrency. If you need to know what a wallet is, please head over to our YouTube page and you will find the explanation there. Please subscribe and like our videos, we will greatly appreciate it.